Hey there everyone, I'm going to show you how to clean, oh my goodness, hang on, got something in my throat. Alright, I can keep going now. So, I'm going to show you how you can clean your carpet stains with just this living textile duoglove. Here we go. A little water. If you get thirsty, go ahead and drink it. Little water on your spot. A couple spots here. As much water as you think you need, depending on how long the stain's been there. You're going to use the textile glove on this side here. You're going to rub it just a little bit, gentle circles, until you take that little stain off. Not sure if this is ink or what this is, but it will come off. Take this, turn it on the back side, pick up that extra moisture there, as you can see. Take away that. So now we're going to go back and do this one here. Circular motions. Up and down, nice and gentle, so you don't put too much pressure on your wrist. I just go on it a few times, and then magic, it's all gone. There we go. That's as easy as it is. All you need is the textile glove, spray bottle, and you can take all your stains off your carpet. I'll just keep going to the next